Alright everybody, we're back again with another 2010 Playoff Contenders box break. We're going to be doing the random pick. And this is everyone that's in the box break. And then the number on the right is how many slots you purchased. It is Friday, April 29th, about 9:38 p.m. Alright, let's get this started. And we're hopefully looking for that golden ticket. Hopefully it's in this one. Let's get this going. And I'm going to take all the packs out and then open the cards so everyone can see which cards are in there. And then after that, I will pick the winners for each card. Starting with the autograph and the insert card, so everyone gets a chance at those ones. Alright, let's see what's in here. First pack we have a Troy Polamalu, Pittsburgh Steelers, a Donald Driver, Green Bay Packers, a Barry Sanders, Legendary Contenders card. We have a Deshaun Jackson, Philadelphia Eagles, Crescendo Marino, Denver Broncos. I'll put the base card over here, or the insert card. And then we have a Josh Freeman, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, a Lee Evans, Buffalo Bills, a Bart Starr, Super Bowl tickets, and then we have a Mike Williams, Seattle Seahawks, Maurice Jones-Drew, Jacksonville Jaguars, and then we have a Sean Green, New York Jets, Miles Austin, Dallas Cowboys, and then we have a Rodney White, playoff tickets, numbered to 99, 16 out of 99, so the Atlanta Falcons, Rodney White, playoff ticket. And then we have Steve Breston, Arizona Cardinals, Drew Brees, New Orleans Saints. And then this pack, we have Frank Gore, San Francisco 49ers, Dallas Clark, Indianapolis Colts. And then we have a Brian Bugala rookie autograph ticket, Green Bay Packers. And then a Michael Crabtree, San Francisco 49ers. And then a Peyton Manning, Indianapolis Colts. And then the last pack, we have a Vince Young, Tennessee Titans, Randy Moss, Tennessee Titans, and then we have a Marty Gilliard, Rookie of the Year contender, St. Louis Rams, and then we have a Chris Cooley, Washington Redskins, and then we have a Danny Woodhead, Rookie, New England Patriots card. Alright, and then we will be starting off with the autograph card first, so then I'll give everyone a chance. And then the winner for the autograph card is, and all the names are in the hat. So, Garrett Titan 01, you won the autograph card. And then for the rookie of the year contenders card, the winner of that card is Benny Deck. You will be the winner of that card. And then for the playoff ticket, we'll be picking the winner for that one, the Ronnie White. The winner is, it's 330 AM. So that's the winner for the Ronnie White card. And then for the Bart Starr Super Bowl tickets, the winner is Garrett Titan.1 again. So you get the Super Bowl Bart Starr ticket, or Super Bowl tickets. And then for the legendary Barry Sanders Contenders card, the winner of that one is Benny Deck. So you will be the winner of that one. And then now we'll be picking the winners for the base cards. So for the Danny Woodhead card, the winner is Sand MP1. So Sand MP1, you're the winner of the Danny Woodhead rookie card from New England Patriots. And then for the Chris Cooley card, we have, the winner is Garrett Titan.01. And then for the Randy Moss card, the winner is C. Webb Baker. And then for the Vince Young card, the winner is Benny Deck. So Benny Deck. And then for the Peyton Manning card, the winner is, we have Garrett Titan.01. And then for the Michael Crabtree card, the winner is Bastrox. And then for the Dallas Clark card, the winner is Lil Bremer 2. So Lil Bremer 2 will be the winner of that one. And then for the Frank Gore card, the winner is MJM Clemens 85. And then for the Drew Brees card, the winner is Garrett Titan.01. And then for the Steve Breston card, the winner is Baba. And then for the Miles Austin, the winner is Bastrox. And then for the Sean Green, the winner is CMC J22 Life for the Sean Green card. And then for the Maurice Jones-Drew card, the winner is Garrett Titan.01. And then for the Mike Williams card, the winner is C. Webb Baker. And then for the Lee Evans card, the winner is JSPLINTE, J-Splint. So you'll be the winner of the Lee Evans card. And then for Josh Freeman, the winner is Baba. And then the winner for the Casino Marino card is Garrett Titan.01. And then Deshaun Jackson, the winner is Garrett Titan.01. And then Donald Driver, the winner is DPC3613. And then for the Troy Polamalu, the winner is